Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the way new drugs are discovered and developed. With its ability to analyze massive amounts of data and identify patterns that humans cannot, AI is accelerating the drug discovery process like never before. How AI is revolutionizing drug discovery. Traditionally, discovering a new drug compound takes an average of 10 to 15 years and costs over $2 billion. This lengthy and expensive process involves identifying disease targets, screening thousands of chemical compounds, iterating molecules to optimize properties, preclinical and clinical testing. AI has the potential to significantly shorten this timeline and reduce costs through enhanced hit identification. AI algorithms can rapidly screen millions of compounds to identify hits that show potential bioactivity against a disease target. Machine learning models can predict hits with higher accuracy than high-throughput screening alone. This substantially expands the starting point for lead optimization. Lead optimization. Once hit compounds are identified, AI systems can analyze their molecular properties and suggest incremental modifications to improve potency, selectivity, bioavailability, and other parameters. This facilitates rapid iteration of molecules to refine leads. Predictive modeling. AI techniques such as deep learning and simulation. Modeling can predict the 3D shape of target proteins and how drug compounds will bind to them. This improves our understanding of disease mechanisms and ability to design drugs. Clinical trial optimization. AI can comb through decades of clinical trial data to identify optimal trial designs, patient criteria, and endpoints likely to reduce trial failure rates. This results in shorter, less costly trials. AI-driven drug discovery companies. Many biotech startups are pioneering the use of AI for novel drug discovery. Exscientia uses AI for end-to-end drug discovery from target identification through preclinical candidate nomination. They produced a candidate for immune disorders in just 12 months. InCitro's AI platform optimizes experimental design and analyses data to predict drug response. Their human tissue models coupled with AI yield superior predictability. In Silico Medicine developed an AI system called Chemistry 42 to design novel molecules with desired properties 10x faster than traditional methods. Benevolent AI analyzes scientific papers with NLP to find hidden connections leading to new therapeutic targets. Their technology identified a potential COVID-19 treatment. The future of AI in drug development. AI adoption in pharma R&D is still in its early stages. As algorithms become more sophisticated and datasets grow, AI is poised to transform every step of the drug discovery pipeline, enabling faster target identification, hit evaluation, lead optimization, and preclinical testing. Over the next decade, AI and human expertise will likely be combined in a synergistic approach that maximizes the strengths of both. While AI accelerates the search for compounds, human researchers will provide scientific understanding to interpret AI models and derive actionable insights. The result will be getting life-saving drugs to patients' orders of magnitude faster, at lower cost, and with higher success rates. With the help of AI, the future of drug discovery looks brighter than ever.